children, today let's start with chapter number 15, the Earth. So in this chapter, we will study about the Earth, which is a unique planet and which is also called blue planet, and it is the only planet where life is possible, right? Now let's study about solar system. Earth is very huge. It is the only planet where life is possible, right? It is the third planet in our solar system. Third planet of our solar system in terms of distance. We have 8 planets and the sun. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Right? Pluto को हम as a dwarf planet consider करते हैं. यहाँ पे आपको asteroids, meteoroids, comets भी देखने को मिलेंगे. Shape of the Earth. The Earth is like orange in shape. ठीक है, bulging at the center and flattened at the top. People believe that Earth was flat. हम travel करेंगे और नीचे गिर जाएंगे. But it was not like that. It is spherical in shape. It is flat at the top and bottom पे कैसा होता है? बीच में कैसा होता है? Middle में थोड़ा bulging होता है. ठीक है, 2 flat areas होते हैं जो इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Pole. This is North Pole and this is. Now the Earth is very beautiful planet if you go on the roof of the high building and looks in any direction. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि जो अर्थ है और आपका लैंड है वो मीट कर रहे हैं. उस पॉइंट को क्या कहा जाता है? हॉरिजन. इट इज नोन एज हॉरिजन. इफ वी मूव द डायरेक्शन ऑफ हॉरिजन वी विल फाइंड दैट द हॉरिजन इज आल्सो मूविंग, राइट? तो अर्थ कैसा होता है? इट्स राउंड लाइक अ बॉल. नाउ सैटेलाइट. एनी ऑब्जेक्ट मूविंग इन अ फिक्स ऑर्बिट अराउंड अ प्लैनेट इज कॉल्ड सैटेलाइट. मून इज अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट, राइट? Satellite is an object which has been placed into orbit by a human being. So such objects are sometimes called artificial satellites. And natural satellite कौन है आपके अर्थ की? That is your moon. Moon क्या है हमारी? Natural satellite. Now first artificial satellite was Sputnik first, which was launched by Soviet Union in 1957. Satellite थी was a useful थी. अर्थ की इसने photographs ली and these are taken and prove that shape of the earth is round. If you watch the bus running along the road, you will see that size of the bus is big. When it closer to you, as it goes away, जिसका size है वो क्या होता है? Decrease होता है. When we see from space, the earth looks blue and due to reflection of the light. So earth is covered with water. That is why it is called blue planet. Right? If we compare it to these planets, earth still looks very large and it is much larger than Mars and just slightly larger than planet Venus. देखिए थोड़ा सा slightly है और उनसे तो और ज़्यादा बड़ा. As we compare earth with the lighter neighbors, we begin to see just small. It is real. The massive gaseous giant planets in the solar system. ये क्या है? Many times larger than है. किससे? आपका teeny Earth, which is Jupiter and Saturn. Now atmosphere. Our Earth क्या है? Unique planet है. It has enough air and water needed for all forms of life. It is neither too cold or nor too hot. और जो envelope of air उसको कहा जाता है atmosphere. The Earth is our home planet. Before Earth existed, there were no people. This means that there were no one around for witness its creation. So at least we can say that not any human, but scientists and geographers, they are able to make educated guess that Earths come from, and the guess are called theories. आपको बहुत सारी थ्योरी देखने को मिलेगी जो आपको इसके बारे में बताती है. अर्थ डे कब सेलिब्रेट होता है? April 22, right? Next is scientists believe that there could be even older planets. However, during the history of universe, planets are being consumed by the parent star, and those what happens, stars also die. So as the sun expands outward, it will completely engulf and consume Earth, burning it down. A planet is neither too young nor too old. Earth is a middle-aged planet. It is cool sufficiently to allow liquid water to form what? Remain warm, sustain life. We have mountain, village, streams, rivers, lakes that we see today are also changing. 1 million of years, new mountains form. Our older mountains get worn away. Lakes form, they disappear. Stream wander through the countryside, cutting deeper and deeper into the ground. And what they created? It created canals. वो क्या हुआ? धीरे धीरे erode हुआ. The earth has many billions of years left before, and during these billion of years, what? It will continue to change and evolve. The earth we know today will not be same as the earth that the other would know millions of years later in future. भाई जैसा आज हो सकता है पहले ना हो या आगे जाके ना हो ऐसा, तो वो चेंजेस है वो occur होते रहते हैं. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.